Hi friends, I am here to watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a pound symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pound symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. So first of all, you just need to click the cell you just want to insert. Then click on the insert option on the top, and then you just want to click on the symbol option. You can just click this and you can find a recent user symbol here and custom symbols here. Click on the more symbol option. So now here you can just choose anything, and you just want to change this to the currency symbol. Scroll down and just find this, and here while just choosing the currency symbol, you can find this pound symbol on the first row. Here you can just click on the insert option, how many times you just needed, then just close it. This is how you just insert the pound symbol on your pound currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.